I'm First Dan of Marketing with a special review about an exceptional course called Affiliate Marketing on Crack, which teaches you how you can generate ridiculously effective earnings no matter what you're selling or which niche you're in. Here are Jenny and Alex to give you more.
Hi, we're gonna give you a brief review on why affiliate marketing on crack is the golden ticket to whatever you could possibly want in life. I say that because the biggest difference between affiliates and super affiliates that have sold millions and those that fail miserably has almost nothing to do with the quality of what's being sold. While, of course, quality is important, it doesn't make the sale. It's the marketing and copy that does that. After all, you have to be able to explain the benefits of what you're selling to get people to buy. And if you can explain those benefits better than your competition, you'll be crushed by your competitors. In the Affiliate Marketing on Crack trainings, you'll learn to become an efficient affiliate marketer by following a proven strategy. Of course, your options here are, you can try to market it yourself without a proven strategy, or you can get a so-called professional marketer to do it for you. For one thing, learning to do effective marketing isn't easy. The greatest affiliates in the world have devoted hundreds of thousands of hours to crafting their skill. If you don't have the time or the motivation to learn how to do amazing affiliate marketing, or you just aren't confident you could ever be good at it, then of course, you can always hire someone to do the marketing for you. Over to you, Alex. I hope your internet connection is good out there.
Yes, but hiring a professional also comes with its drawbacks. For one thing, about 80% of so-called professional internet marketers are great at marketing and ads, but far less successful at getting people to actually buy whatever it is you're selling. These marketers almost always overpromise and underdeliver. Plus, hiring a professional isn't cheap. The lower-priced ones charge $2,000+ for a marketing campaign. Average marketers charge between $5,000 and $7,000. And the good ones charge 15 grand and up, all for a single campaign. It can be worth it if the campaign converts well and makes you more than you invested, but even the best marketers don't win every time, nor do they issue refunds when their marketing doesn't deliver the results you wanted. Yeah, Jenny, the signal is pretty good over here despite the remoteness of where I'm at.
Great. I can see and hear you perfectly. Moving on. Benjamin Fletcher, the creator of Affiliate Marketing on Crack, has been marketing online since 2012. He created this course to help affiliates overcome these problems. For anyone with an online marketing email list, I'm sure that your customers will benefit from Benjamin's affiliate training course. It teaches anyone, regardless of skill level or expertise, how to start and, most importantly, sustain a successful affiliate business in any niche, starting from ground zero. From niche selection and site creation to traffic and conversion. I just love it here at the lake. It's so tranquil out here.
Great! Here are a couple of examples of what you'll be getting in the course. 1. How to subliminally shoot down objections already in your prospect's head and practically double your affiliate sales in the process. No kidding here. 2. The one thing you should turn off when running affiliate ads on any network. Seriously, do not run ads until you're aware of this. Facebook and Google sure as hell won't tell you. Heck, they don't even tell us. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of opportunities to take this stuff and absolutely kill it. We couldn't possibly take advantage of them all for ourselves, even if we wanted to. I'll tell you a little about Ben Fletcher. He's been a full-time affiliate marketer since 2012. Before that, he was a former car mechanic. Besides racing motocross, his passion and energy goes into helping newbies start or grow their own affiliate marketing businesses and selling other people's products online.
Yes, EPC Fire is the foundation of any successful marketing business. And yes, you need to treat it as a business. In his course, Benjamin will explain why something he calls a bleeding neck changed the way he sells affiliate products for life. This changed the game for him. Also, the one thing Benjamin wished he had done in 2012, and how you can avoid the same mistake. If he'd done this years ago, he'd have made more cash. A whole lot more. EPC Fire, Affiliate Marketing on Crack, affiliate training course, will teach you insanely effective affiliate marketing, all in one video course. You can leverage all the blood, sweat, and tears and avoid studying other affiliate marketers. With Affiliate Marketing on Crack, you'll get all the high-converting tips and tricks Benjamin developed, using everything he learned, so you can sell way more of whatever it is you're selling.
The information in his course is unbelievably popular right now because it's super easy to follow and incredibly easy to implement, making its application ideal for generating more revenue. Yet, until now, learning marketing may have seemed too time-consuming and costly to even bother with, or at least it was before Affiliate Marketing on Crack came along. With EPC Fire, Affiliate Marketing on Crack. You'll get a step-by-step video course you can learn from to sell other people's products in minutes. Even if right now you have no idea where to begin, then, once you've learned to implement his training in practice, you can actually start to earn money as a high-ticket affiliate, no matter what kind of niche you're in. Because Benjamin's training course shows you which niches offer the best value for you to promote as an affiliate. Even better, EPC Fire Affiliate Marketing on Crack is unbelievably simple to understand. The video modules set out what you will need to learn. Affiliate Marketing on Crack will then walk you through a series of videos where you will learn A. The one thing you must do with all your affiliate links to crank out more clicks and sales. This is another thing most affiliates miss, or even worse, willfully ignore. B. The one thing you should have in every single email you send. Without this, you're on the highway to Skinsville. C. The best images to use for Facebook and Google Ads. These work hands down better than anything else we've ever tested. They worked in 2014, and they still work in 2021. D. How to ethically steal other people's assets for your own gain. Remember, I said ethically, and the training will show you how. And there's so much more. All this for a one-time, super low price. It's a steal. That's it from me. Jenny, do you have anything to add?
Yes, Alex, I'll close off this review by mentioning EPC Fire. Affiliate Marketing on Crack is only available for this special limited time offer at such a ridiculously low one-time price. No monthly fees, just one small payment, and that's it. Zero annual or monthly fees. You'll be able to immediately start using EPC Fire, Affiliate Marketing on Crack, to learn how to do revenue generating affiliate marketing from a super affiliate. You'll be learning how to increase conversions, sales, and leads with super effective affiliate marketing strategies. That's it from me, First and Alex, and we hope to see you on the inside. Oh, and please like this video and subscribe to our channel so we can show you more of these super good deals and offers. You'll find the link to this fantastic offer in the video description below. If you purchase this course using the link in the description, you'll also get valuable bonuses worth $350.